Okay, so, but you have to subtract the top exponent minus the bottom exponent. Okay, and for the numbers, you're going to keep the base, okay? When we have numbers and letters, that's a little bit different. Okay, so what is the exponent on top? 1. And the exponent on the bottom is 1. So what is 3 to the 1 minus 1? 3 to the 0, which is 1. Listening. Yes, you can come in, but she'll have to sit on the couch and wait for a little bit. But yeah. Thanks. Okay, so number 3, we got 3 to the negative 3 minus negative 1. Okay, well, what's a minus minus? A plus. So it's really going to be negative 3 plus 1, negative 2. So you're going to get 3 to the negative 2. And what do we do with negatives? We got to put it to the bottom. So it's going to be 3 over 2 to the 1. Okay, now remember, this is just numbers, so we don't say 9. Okay, we don't do this 3 squared, which is 9. Okay. Okay, 5 is going to be 2 to the negative 1 minus 0. So it's going to be 2 to the negative 1, which is going to be 2 to the 1 over 1. Okay, now, you don't typically see 2 to the 1, so it's really just 2, okay, or 1/2, okay? I will take this, though, like, that's not, like, wrong, but. Okay, 7 is going to be 2 to the 0 minus 3. 2 to the negative 3. And then we need to convert. So it's going to be 2 to the 3rd over 1. Okay, 9, it's going to be 4 to the what? What is the exponent? 1 minus 3. So it's going to be 2 to the negative 2, or 4 to the negative 2, sorry. And we need to convert that. So we say 4 to the 2 over 1. Okay, 11 is going to be 2 to the 3 minus 3. What's 3 minus 3? 0. What is 2 to the 0? 1. For the love of God, stop writing 2 to the 1. Do not write this. A bunch of you guys keep doing it still. It's not 2 to the 1. Okay, it's just 1. Okay, 13, you got 3 to the negative 4 minus 0. So you're going to get 3 to the negative 4, which is going to be 3 to the 4, and put the 1 on top. We got 2 to the 1 minus 0. We can put a 1 up there, which is just going to be 2 to the 1. Do we need to convert? No, there's no negatives. Okay, if you are not on the same problem as me, get there. We're going to start on the variables. Okay, go to 17. Okay, my suggestion would be to do this in 2 pieces, okay? Because sometimes you're going to have a number on the bottom. Put the big one in front of that x. Okay, there's one there. So, okay, first start with the exponents. X to the, and you put it on top every single time. -2 minus 3. What are you going to get? -5. So you're going to get 3 to the x minus -5 over 1. Okay, we have negative, so we need to do that conversion. Where's the 3 go? Top. X to the -5. Bottom. Now, you can still put the 1 in front of that x. Okay, this one. You don't have to move it. Okay, but you certainly don't have to. Okay? The 1 is for when there's nothing there. Okay? But if you want to put the 1, put it. If you don't want to put the 1, don't put it. Okay, so 19, it's going to be n to the 2 minus 3. We got a 4 and a 3. What is 2 minus 3? -1. So it's really going to look like this. We got the 4 and the 3. It's going to be n to the -1. Do we need to convert? Yeah. Okay, so same thing. The 4 and the 3 stay where they're at, and the n to the 1 is going to go on the bottom. Okay, 20, draw your bar, put your big numbers where they go, okay, and then we always do the r's on top. So r to the 1 minus 4. So it's going to be r to the -3. And then we need to convert. Where's the r to the 3 go? Bottom. Where's the 3 go? On the bottom still. Okay, we don't move it. This one. Okay. And then what goes on top? A 1. Okay, 23, put your big letters. And it's going to be x to the 2 minus 2. What is 2 minus 2? 0. So you got 2 over 3, x to the 0. Okay, that's going to be a 1, or it does what? It cancels. Okay, if you change it to a 1, like that, then you have to multiply the 2 times 1, okay? Which is still gonna be 2 on the top and 3 on the bottom. So it's just almost easier to just cancel it out, okay? Okay, 25, put your bigs where they go, or the bases. Okay, and then we got x's, so start with the x's. X to the -4 minus 0, and then it's going to be y to the 2 minus 0. Okay, so we got 2, 3, x to the what? -4, y to the 2. Okay, and then we need to convert. The 2 and the 3 stay where they're at. Where's the x to the 4 go?
Bottom.
On the bottom. Y squared. Top. Okay, 27, draw your bar. We got m to the 4 minus 2, n to the 2 minus 3. What is 4 minus 2?
2.
So it's going to be m to the 2, n to the negative 1. m2, where does it go? Top. N to the negative 1 on the bottom. Okay, make sure, see how 29, it goes y then x, and then on the bottom it's x then y. Make sure you're subtracting the right pieces with the right pieces. Okay, the x's go with the x's, the y's go with the y's. So we got 3 and 3, and it doesn't matter which one you put first, okay? So I'm just doing the y first, but if you put the x's first, that's fine, okay? So it's gonna be y to the 1 minus 4, x to the 4 minus 3. So you're going to get y to the what? Boys, shush. Y to the what? Negative 3. X to the 1. Where's the y to the negative 3 go? Bottom. And x to the 1 stays on top. Now, lastly, and I didn't do this on all the problems because so far we haven't had to do it. What is 3 over 3?
1.
1. Okay? So if you have big numbers that need to simplify, hint number 32, okay, you need to simplify those, okay? And it's just can be like this, okay? Because there's really a 1 in front of this, okay? And there's really a 1 in front of this, so it's simplified. Okay, in other words, if they're the same number, they kind of just cancel each other out. Okay? But like 4 over 3 doesn't simplify. Okay? Okay, 31, we got 3, and it's going to be y to the 1 minus 3, x to the negative 3 minus, ooh, I almost messed it up. Negative 3 minus 3. Okay, so you're going to get y to the negative 2, x to the 0.
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
You already heard those.
Okay, so we got 3, y2. What happens to the x to the 0? It cancels out, okay?
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Dude.
Could you please say that again?
No. Okay, the rest of the sheet is for you guys. Get it done and then put it in the box back there.